My attorney said I was not convicted. I was given a deferred judgment. Is that the same thing? Under Canadian law, a deferred judgment is equivalent to a conditional discharge and should not result in inadmissibility once the terms and conditions are complete. Once it is complete, the FBI record should indicate a finding of no guilt on the record. It's always a good idea to check on this because there are many times when records are not updated. Watch out though, deferred sentences are not the same. Those are considered convictions under Canadian law. Another thing to keep in mind is that until the deferral conditions are met, a person is inadmissible and requires a permit to travel. As soon as there are records showing that the conditions have been met, the individual is free to travel. We always recommend traveling with documents and/or a letter from a Canadian immigration lawyer describing how their inadmissibility has been resolved. Can I have my conviction taken off of my record so I can travel? There is no expungement procedure in the state of Colorado for DUI convictions. The only way for you to clear your record is by applying for rehabilitation with the Canadian government. A person becomes eligible only once more than 5 years have passed since the completion of their sentence, including probation, license suspension, and full payment of fines. Rehabilitation only clears your criminal record for Canadian travel and immigration purposes. Rehabilitation is a process whereby a Canadian consulate takes a look at your whole criminal record dating back to your 18th birthday or your first adult offense and decides whether you have shown yourself to be rehabilitated by a change of circumstances. A change in circumstance may include getting married, having kids, growing up, attending court-appointed alcohol or drug programs, or changing jobs, for example. Once this process is complete, a person cannot be denied entry to Canada for an offense that they have been rehabilitated for unless they reoffend. As of right now, it takes about 12 months to process an application for rehabilitation.